42,252. Your vacuum doesn't have good suction. Here's how to fix it. If your vacuum is losing suction, maybe a few things. There might be a clog in here. There might be, maybe this is filled up too much. If your vacuum is losing suction, maybe a few things. This might be clogged. You might have too much dirt. This might need to be emptied. And there's something else. There's also these filters right here. And so this actually looks kind of dirty. And so this right here, these right here, you may actually want to wash. Like I like to use Dawn soap. Take them and put Dawn soap in them and go and clean them out. And they need to dry before they go back in. So there's two filters right here. And then there's another filter back here. And this filter, you can see this, it actually looks kind of dirty as well. So I need to empty this, clean all of these filters out, and then hopefully it should smell better, and hopefully there'll be better suction. So if we take this and empty this out, that is one step right there. $93,241. Let me know if this helped your vacuum suction to be better.